Hey y'all, today I'm gonna show you how to make the best mac and cheese recipe ever. This isn't just any mac and cheese, it's a soul-warming, crowd-pleasing dish that's perfect for any occasion. And guess what? It's by the legendary Patti LaBelle, yes, the queen of soulful cooking herself. This recipe is a true gem from her kitchen to yours. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This ensures that your mac and cheese will bake evenly and come out perfectly golden and bubbly. Lightly butter a deep 2.5 quart baking dish. This will prevent the macaroni from sticking and add a touch of richness to the dish. Now, let's get a large pot filled with water and bring it to a rapid boil. This is where the magic begins. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 pound of macaroni. The oil helps keep the pasta from sticking together. Cook that for about 7 minutes until it's somewhat tender. You don't want it fully cooked because it will continue to cook in the oven. Once it's ready, drain it well and return it to the pot. Make sure to shake off any excess water to avoid a watery dish. While that's happening, melt 8 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan. Butter is the key to that creamy, luscious texture we all love. Once melted, stir it into the macaroni. This will coat the pasta and add a rich, buttery flavor. In a large bowl, combine half a cup each of shredded muenster cheese, mild cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and Monterey Jack cheese. This blend of cheeses creates a complex, delicious flavor. It's a cheese fest here. The more cheese, the better, right? Now add 1.5 cups of the shredded cheese mix to the macaroni. This is where the dish starts to come together. Pour in 2 cups of half and half and add 8 ounces of cubed Velveeta cheese. The half and half adds creaminess, while the Velveeta ensures a smooth, melty texture. Lightly beat 2 eggs and mix them in too. The eggs help bind everything together and give the mac and cheese a custard-like consistency. Sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning salt and an 1/8 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. These seasonings enhance the flavors without overpowering the dish. Transfer this cheesy goodness into your prepared baking dish. Make sure to spread it out evenly so it bakes uniformly. Top it off with the remaining half cup of shredded cheese and pour a tablespoon of melted butter on top. This will create a beautiful golden crust. Y'all, this is looking delicious already. Just wait until it comes out of the oven. Pop it in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the edges are golden brown and bubbly. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make everyone's mouth water. Once it's done, serve it up hot and enjoy every bite. This is comfort food at its finest. Want the full recipe and backstory? Check out the description below. You'll find all the details and a bit of history about Patti LaBelle's famous dish. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Spread the love and the cheesy goodness. Thanks for joining me today on Kraystar Flavor King. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious mac and cheese as much as I did. Enjoy your Patti LaBelle mac and cheese. Bye y'all. Remember, good food brings people together. See you next time.